Nakale! Hey! We are back! I forgot, bro. What is I had the worst day of my life today. Like when you guys are having a very bad day, no? You guys pray that, why bro, why is it happening to me? But no! You know what I did? I went to my terrace and I looked at the sky and I screamed to God saying, is this the best you can do?
Ma, what's it?
I need more! I need more pain!
John just got 4-degree burn in his finger. 4-degree burn his finger.
You can't see the line because it's kind of healed. I put ice on it for like an hour, bro. It became so numb that I couldn't feel my finger. Yeah, bro, full frozen. Just like Jack.
And the Frozen.
No, Jack and Rose in the Titanic, bro.
Jack.
Yeah, so fuck it. That doesn't matter. All I'm saying is that was just one of the things that happened today. But bro, I literally had the most, I don't know, bro, painful day. Instead of saying worst, I can say painful. And welcome back to my vlogs.
Back to the pavilion.
Yeah. It's no longer going to be a late night DArt episode and all that stuff. It's just John DArt vlog. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another new vlog.
Go! Yeah, what he was doing the whole video. Check, bro. Pakka veru.
Yeah.
Nice.
Bro, he's like Lacoste is another copy.
Yeah.
Lactose.
He's like the Pama.
Pama. It's not the Puma, bro. It's the Pama.
Pama inga konja Vama.
We are back, bro. We are back. We are back, guys. We are back, and from now on, I promise that I'm gonna be dead ass consistent because all I care about is just YouTube and vlogging, bro. This is what I want to do. I don't know for how long, but I want to keep doing this, bro.
Yes, sir.
And I am back, and I'm back for good. I am not taking breaks. I am not doing part-time job over here. YouTube is full-time for me, and I'm just so pumped and excited to be back.
And full rotating.
Coming back to the point, guys. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಸೌಂಡ್.
You try once. Drive, bro. Extraordinary break.
We have fixed the camera issue. The whole disaster started from the night.
Yeah.
So I didn't sleep well. I woke up like a aged tortoise. Bro, like that, bro.
That no?
What if I hit? Even good rain, but no.
That was the advanced version of what I did, bro.
I thought maybe if I hit him, he'll fought. Bro.
Yeah.
What is that? How fake was that, bro?
Yo.
Leo, at least it was better than CSK season. I'm gonna talk loudly because this road is not fine and you guys can't hear because however expensive stand you own, but you know it ends up being fucked because of our roads here. Please bear with the gurgur noise.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, I had a bad sleep. I woke up like a fucking aged turtle.
Yeah.
And on top of that, my breakfast, first time I'm eating the same fucking breakfast since the last year. It bored me because the milk that I use is that Amul Slim milk that got over, bro.
Oh.
So no diss to Nandini, but I don't like your guys' milk, bro. So. And after that, I had to rush to the gym because this dumbass had to get up at 7:30, but I ended up waking up at some 9:30.
Oh.
And I woke up like I'm sick, and then I somehow rushed to the gym. Okay, here again another disaster happened. I finished warming up, all that. I was lifting, I was doing shoulders, then I was stacking back the weight.
Okay.
Bro, you know those where you put the weights, no, that whole steel, I don't know, stand is like this and there's one support here so that the weight doesn't fall.
Yeah.
Nana stand support melu weight itilla. I don't know how it was balancing. 1 second I put it there, 22.5 kg. In 2 seconds it fell on my toes, bro. All the 3 toes.
Shit.
Even though I was wearing a shoe, but it's still you guys should understand how
How
bad it
was
was.
your leg, bro? now?
Bro, it was at least from 1.5 feet, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, that's still heavy, bro.
Yeah.
And some tears came in my eyes because I can't project my pain.
Yeah.
I kind of felt very bad, helpless. Everybody saw, but I pretended like nothing happened, bro.
Like,
It pissed me off double now because bad sleep and bad pain both at once. And then I was like, my mood to lift more weights just crashed because the pain was increasing, bro.
shit. Yeah.
And then I rushed back home,
Uh,
full frustrated. So I have this tea table, bro. But unfortunately, the corners of the tea table are damn sharp. It's like some shark's teeth, bro.
oh shit.
Bro, I ran and I came and I kept my bag aside and I smashed one right below my knee. I can't
Oh my
show you
God.
here, but it was fuck, bro. Here, bro.
Oh, I can see the sexy lights. Oh, John's revealing, bro.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
Uh,
It poked and bro, one small tiny like one pin goes inside your skin, no? Little more deeper. It's just stuck, bro. I'm seeing that. And I pulled it out. Then I thought it didn't bleed also for a few seconds. It was like on ice rolling down my skin, bro. Then if I touch like this, full blood. And then I was like, okay, I'll wash it. I washed it. And then I just dabbed it with some cotton. Then I just left it to dry. It was drying.
yeah.
After that, I'm dead ass hungry now. I asked my mom to cook my usual meal.
Yeah.
She finished, okay. She's put to one plate to cover the whole food.
Okay. On top of.
Yeah, I thought maybe she did it a long time ago. Usually I lift the plate, bro. I don't check if it's hot.
Yeah.
Bro, I went, bro, these two fingers only. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ bro, it was just made its thims and that plate was kept to boil the corn and sausage and paneer inside.
Oh my
So you
God.
think, bro, how fucking hot. I threw it off in one line, same as the line, plate the line. I was not surrendering my pain.
Yeah.
I wanted to go to my terrace and scream, is this all you got?
Yeah.
Give me more, bro. I want more. I'm a fucking warrior, I am.
Yeah.
Huh? Ishtena.
That's enough. That's enough pain for a day.
Inside, you don't know.
Yeah.
Bro, at this point, I'm bro. No, after in GTA, you died.
Oh yeah. correct.
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ತಿನ್ನಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಗೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Not the ego, it's the pain.
ಯಾ ಸೊ ಪೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಈಟ್ ಐಮ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಐ ಏಟ್ ನೈಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇವನ್ ನೌ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೇನ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಪೇನ್ ಕಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಐ ಸ್ಲೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೋ
Oh.
I took a nice nap then I woke up again very pissed because I didn't want to sleep, bro.
Oh my god.
So
You took a nap because you didn't want to sleep. Then you get pissed. So much. Enough pain for the day, John. It's enough.
bro, pain is what makes men, bro.
Yeah, bro, John.
Pain brings the man out.
Yeah.
After that, I just carried on and I made mad coffee. And I was just planning on, how to be more consistent on my vlogs because, bro, vlogs is something where I don't know, it's the best thing in the world and it's known, no wonder people call it the best job to do.
Yeah.
Bro, because see, even now I'm gonna tell you guys a very important thing. Yeah, I tell all a bunch of shit. I roast people. I do all that crap. But mainly, bro, for you who's stopping yourself from posting just because you feel like you're gonna be judged the fuck out, bro, just don't give a shit about them, bro. You post. You just need to post. Okay. What comes after that? Don't give two shits.
Yeah.
Just keep posting. Just keep playing the game. Okay. And don't listen to your friends saying, do you really wanna show them yourself out like that. Fuck you guys, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro, yeah, bro. I wanna put, bro. I don't wanna one day, you know, be stuck in some job and be thinking, Chana, if I would have posted, maybe I would have got something. Bro, I know a kid who made 2 lakhs by posting videos from his iPhone 10.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
Now 16 has come out.
Ah.
So think about it. So all you got to do is play the game. Just post. That's all. The rest, you'll figure it out. Okay. Games comes with rules. Games come with levels. And followers are your levels. Rules are your comments. Yeah. So make sure you play, you know, with the guidelines and not out of it. And don't want to get cancelled.
Yeah.
But just play the game. Start playing the game. For all the people that are commenting and asking, please post YouTube videos. Please post those longer, form of content on YouTube.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
I respect you guys a lot. That you guys want to take off so much time out of your life and just watch a 20-minute long vlog, or I don't know, beyond that, or maybe even just a 10-minute one.
Yeah.
But how much ever minutes you guys are watching, you guys are spending time on my profile or on my channel. Thank you so much. Just keep supporting, and I'm gonna come out with different types of vlogs. And car is not gonna be the main thing from now. Car is gonna be a part of it. I'm not gonna give up on this because bro, it served me damn well, bro. Like, it took care of us in so many situations. So we can't just throw it away. That's one thing. On a serious note, yes, I had a bad day, but bro, that's not gonna stop me. That didn't change anything for me, bro. Maybe it was a sign for something else. Or maybe that pain had to just go away. And like, I feel like that's it for this vlog. Please subscribe. Please continue giving your support. And with that being said, guys, you guys know what it is.
You guys know what it is.
We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.
Peace.